Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get followers on Eventbrite. Here are the steps and strategies for getting followers on Eventbrite. The first thing to do is to set up a professional Eventbrite profile. So start by ensuring that the Eventbrite profile is complete, professional, and appealing to potential followers. You can also use a clear profile picture such as a logo or professional image, and write an engaging bio that explains who you are, the type of events you organize, and what followers can expect by following you. So whenever I click your profile icon here and select account settings, if you want to update your profile, and just follow the step-by-step processes to just make it more appealing. Then also promote your event profile, your Eventbrite profile link. All right, so share the direct link to your Eventbrite profile on your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Website, you can also use other websites and email newsletters. Encourage your audience to follow you on Eventbrite for updates on future events. You can find your event profile link by clicking your profile icon, selecting account settings, and go ahead to copy the URL, which will be provided for you. So here, okay, so just go ahead and copy the profile URL and share. Now, consistency is key. So you have to organize regular events that cater to your target audience's interests to build a following over time. Of course, you have to aim for high quality, relevant, and engaging events. When attendees find value in your events, they are more likely to follow you for future ones. When creating an event, add detailed descriptions, attractive visuals, and keywords that will help people find your event. Include popular tags and categories related to your event's theme to increase visibility on Eventbrite's search and recommendation engine. Then Eventbrite automatically allows attendees to follow you after registering for an event, but you can encourage them by mentioning this option in the event description or reminder emails. Then it is advisable to add a message in your event communications, such as follow us on Eventbrite to stay updated on future events. After an event, use the emails to attendees feature to send a follow-up message, thanking them for attending and encouraging them to follow your profile for updates in future events. Highlight any upcoming events or perks for followers to motivate them to follow you. Share your Eventbrite events directly on Eventbrite integration-friendly platforms like Facebook, where your attendees or where your audience can register with ease. Adding a follow us on Eventbrite call to action on these platforms can help drive traffic directly to your Eventbrite profile. You could also provide followers exclusive access to early bird tickets, discounts, or other perks as a way of encouraging people to follow your Eventbrite profile. Partner with similar event organizers or influencers who can help promote your event and profile. Cross-promote each other's Eventbrite profile or events to reach a larger audience and gain followers from related audience. During the event or in your event communications, encourage attendees to share your events with your friends or on social media. Include social sharing buttons on your events page and mention how attendees can follow your Eventbrite profile to stay in the loop. So by implementing these strategies, you can attract more followers on Eventbrite, helping you grow a dedicated audience for your future events. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.